everybody, welcome to Monday. Today we're going over to Witness just for something different, just have a look around. So we'll see you over there. Been in Marks and Spencer. I've got, how many tops did I get? Four tops. For £21, which wasn't bad. And now we're in KFC and I'm getting the boneless, what am I getting? Boneless banquet, which I'm going to enjoy.
Say hello everybody, Miss Laney.
Hello everybody.
Eating our dinner.
Lovely.
What have you got?
Chicken, boneless chicken strips, fries, barbecue sauce.
And a Sprite.
I've got Sprite.
Hello.
And popcorn chicken.
And I've got the same as what Laney's got. But I've got Sprite. Oh, no, you've got Pepsi, I've got Sprite.
Yeah.
She's got 4 little ducklings.
Aww, they're cute. I was wondering whether there's going to be anything nice on the river on the way past.
That's what we've seen this year.
And there's a dad there, we reckon.
Yeah. Oh.
There's some more ducklings. They're cute. Think the boys are pleased to see us?
I think so. Hello.
I've already been smothered in kisses. Weather's it's brightened up now, so me and Codes are out on a walk, aren't we, Codes? Hey. Cody, look. Say hi, yeah? No, he doesn't want to. He just wants to get on with his walk. Okay. Hello, boys. Hello, darling. Hi. There you go, boy. Hello, darling. Hi, Codes. What are you doing out there, then? Cody, what you doing out there? Took himself out there again. Said to look for the windows. You always do that, don't you, Code? Cody? You saying that night, bud? Bit late saying goodnight tonight, so Cody's already asleep. Or you just pretending to be asleep, Code. So, me and Code and Mel and Jake will see you all tomorrow. Bye for now.